Over 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a world of fire and chaos. Volcanoes erupted endlessly, oceans boiled, and the air was thick with poisonous gases. Nothing could survive in such a place, yet hidden within this hostile world, the earliest seeds of life were quietly forming. Around 3.8 billion years ago, in the depths of the oceans, tiny molecules began to collide and combine. From these chemical dances emerged the first building blocks of life. Slowly, they formed simple cells, protocells, that could absorb energy, reproduce, and adapt to their surroundings. These tiny beings marked the beginning of life's long journey. Over millions of years, these early microbes evolved. About 2.5 billion years ago, some of them developed an incredible ability: photosynthesis. They harnessed sunlight to create energy and released oxygen into the atmosphere. This event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, changed Earth forever. With oxygen filling the skies, the stage was set for more complex forms of life to appear. By around 600 million years ago, the first multicellular organisms emerged in the seas. They were soft-bodied and simple, but they opened the door to new ways of living and growing. Then came a dramatic chapter, the Cambrian explosion, about 541 million years ago, when life burst into extraordinary diversity. Trilobites, early arthropods, and other bizarre creatures filled the oceans, shaping the foundations of the ecosystems we know today. The story of life then expanded onto land. Around 475 million years ago, plants began to colonize the barren continents, painting them green and creating new habitats. Soon after, amphibians crawled from the water, followed by reptiles, insects, and eventually mammals and birds. Life was no longer confined to the oceans. It was spreading, adapting, and becoming ever more complex. Much later, only about 300,000 years ago, humans, Homo sapiens, appeared. In the vast history of Earth, this was only a blink of an eye. Yet in that short time, humans have learned to understand their own origins, uncovering the story of life from ancient molecules to the incredible variety of creatures living today. This journey is still unfolding. New species continue to emerge, evolve, and adapt, while humans play a powerful role in shaping the planet's future. The history of life on Earth is a story of resilience and transformation, reminding us just how fragile and yet how enduring life can be. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Historical Story YT to discover more epic journeys from the past that shape the world we live in today.